Hello my lovelies, you guys, it has been so long since I sat down and did a YouTube video or like a makeup video, get ready with me. So today I'm gonna do my makeup on camera. You guys can see I've already done my brows, kind of already prepped my skin, but I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I use because I do have oily to combination skin, right? I'm going out to like a day event, so I'm not going to do anything too heavy. I'm just going to do a quick soft glam, my go-to makeup routine. A few things has changed, so yeah, it's not going to be a talk through video just because I'm going to put my retainers in. So I'm going to sound weird whilst I'm talking, so I'm just going to have you guys watch me do my makeup. Enjoy the video, have a little drink so you can sip and watch, okay? And I'll speak to you guys very soon. Okay, so that brings me to the end of today's video. This is the finished look. So this is like my daytime going out, like going to brunch, any daytime event. This is it. Even date night, this would go. Like, come on. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. I'll make sure to list all the products that I've used in today's video in the description box below. So make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.